fear.
Hold him tight.
Hold him tight.
Take him. Take him. You know, hold him.
Woo! I did it. I did it. I hold a crab. So we are going fishing, my people. So this is our bait for the night. This is the only way I will consume a crab, by using it as bait. The tap yam crab. So we can't catch no worm because we dig the sand and we can't find no worm. So we are going to use the crab. So how we are going to use the crab now, Vivian?
We're using them.
We're using foot them. Salmon crab this. So we can go crab hunting then. Because we can catch crab now. This is it. Thank you so much, man, for stopping by. So the crab have one eye over there, so one eye there, so one claw there, so one. So the crab is not ready, you know. The kind of big yet. The crab have a big palm, my friend. Oh my word. I can't believe I'm not scared. I'm holding a crab. What's wrong, Maya? Vivian, you are going to throw out the line to me, right? So what we are going to use? They took the claw, so the body of the crab can use to make bait.
Yeah.
So we have enough bait, or we're not going to catch more crab?
Yeah, try to catch more crabs.
Yeah,
Now hold him so too.
oh, we can hold him. So to alright, I want to try every way how to hold the crab. Hold
My name Clay, you say no?
You will claw me, sir?
Yeah,
which part of him if you hold?
Hold him too bad.
Hold them two parts, yeah?
Yeah,
Hold on.
Hold him. Hold it tight.
Hold it tight.
Yeah.
Althea, boss. Althea is holding a crab. Wait, take him. Wait, which crab is the leg one now?
Just let him go.
Just let him go?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my word. So we're going fishing, man.
What you want to do? What's your name?
Alright, bait up my line now. Let me see if I can. Yeah, I want a long line. I don't want a short line. This is my line. You the stretchy?
Yes, sir. Not cheap.
Who not do it with back shoes in a cold time? You need to buy the bulla?
Go for the one.
You get crackers. We have all the ears for people. Shine the light them out and see. Let me show you people the sea say in a rough. The sea in a rough, you know? The sea in a rough. Kind of rough. So we have some food, we have some juice. And we're going to bait the lines up now.
Take off the two of them.
Yeah, take off the two of them.
Take off all of them.
We outside, man, we outside. So this is the line that I'm going to use to fish. Gonna get it right, man. Going to catch some. This is our favorite fishing spot. This is the spot that we can fish sometimes. Vivian, come be at my line. Let me see how you do it.
Don't dash them way up.
You shall miss this one.
What me put on my shorts?
Oh, Maya, be at up here line. Alright, put the worm on mine. I'm not sure about the crab. One to you. We don't have enough what?
I make one line.
See what again? We want more line, more on this to the mine.
How much on? Come on.
So you carry line for everybody?
Everybody know I'm fishing.
Then Vivian and a line.
Sister, line the here. Line the here.
But you say you're going to make another
Yeah,
line.
me I make one because they have only one line. All this line there.
Yeah, set them out. Vivian, let me roll the light to Maya and you come. Me come for joke, you know. Me come for catfish, you know. Oh, see how you put the bait on the line. Let me see what me have here. But not even. Oh, so see me sink there. This is how we are using the line in the water. When me hook there. Oh, yeah, me have hook too. But that hook cannot look like the hook when me like fishing with. Who got bait me line? Oh, see the worm there? Yeah. That's Sean. Sean, come bait me line. You can't bait line?
Rashad, I can't bait line.
Gonna use those as bait, my viewers. Live
Can't
bait.
bait line?
Eh?
You can't bait line?
You think so?
You think
A
so?
long time I no bait line. You know?
So what is now?
Fishing rod you use.
Vivian, come put on my bait for me.
What do you do with that, Vivian?
Those are what we use as baits. They are found in the sand.
So something man here down here bite, you know, put on one pants, come on.
Ooh, I got bait me line. Thank you, man.
Listen, man.
Never you gonna bait my line for me, man.
I keep me tell sister not trouble one line the time, no.
Maya, know the white line you give me.
Alright, sister can do that. How to put in that white one?
Umi gear must catch you sharp. Umi.
Hey, we not carry no yard tonight, you know.
I catch you line like that.
Where is next line?
Which one I line?
Right here, line.
Which line you use?
Use any line you want, use any one, just pick up one.
We not catch more crab.
Yeah.
Oh, them are going to catch more
Try
crab.
next line, yeah.
Which next line?
Here like this.
Maya, in this month, the crab yet?
But that one you can't go and use until we're done. We can go and use this.
The worm.
On the crab, where's the bait are done? Yeah, if the bait are done now, then
My young baiting. Try it out there for me, my nephew. Put it on it.
Oh, there now.
Yeah, out there. What this me can't do nothing I see. I not gone out.
Oh man.
Snatch up. That line I make the sister
And that line you give me? This other line you she give me. Me can't understand what's going on with the line business there, so.
Watch out.
Change if it's not up.
Yeah.
So that not up again?
There.
So what is now?
What this never fit?
Maya, me have to be stretch the line there.
Let that make it fix up.
So that one you
Let
stretch?
sister take the line.
Alright, me I go use that one here. Yeah.
And then
Sorry for bother
that
you,
one
man.
let her fish, you know.
But we have fun line up. So when me green bamboo.
Yeah, Neil, just put away that
You
one.
know a sinker? Storm?
Hey, me away.
Yeah, look at that thing on that.
Vivian, throw that one there out, make me go and use. Put the worm on it, because me can't wait for everything. Me impatient when me ready for fish, you know.
You throw it in a top line enough.
Yeah, I can show you. Show you out all of you out there.
Me not top line him at all. Put enough bait on it, enough bait you up nicely. No stone on the on my line. Then this a big heavy stone here. But this a man here really
No,
don't know
see.
nothing about fishing. And this a big, you have to take a
Yeah.
tall stone.
And that one you never have on a stone, Joe?
The one never have on the school.
Hey!
Which other one
The
have on
one
no
that
more?
you use?
Which
That's
other one
too
have
fat.
on no more?
Hold on, hold on.
The one I use the one.
That
Look at that a one stone. Look if that is a
No,
stone.
you're not going to use.
Look at that one there.
Use one next line. One next line.
Yeah, that one they look like it can work.
Take one of them lines, yeah.
Yeah, take the whole year for be at the line, Vivian.
Eh?
But I don't look like to me I'll catch no fish tonight. Everything I take too long. Yeah, that's she out there now. Let me light here then. You can't see me, I'm going to dash you out there still. Ah, what's up the same?
Yo, one line me this already, you know. Maybe I go cast.
See, you over there, son.
Carry me down here, so carry me come to there.